Hello everyone, my name is David Richard from WeeklyTools. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the process of resetting the electronic parking brake in your vehicle. Whether you're experiencing a malfunction or you simply want to learn how to reset it as a precautionary measure, we've got you covered. So, let's get started. The electronic parking brake control can usually be found near the center console or on the dashboard of your vehicle. Look for a button or switch labeled P or parking brake. Once you've located it, make sure the vehicle is parked and the engine is turned off before proceeding to the next step. Press and hold down the electronic parking brake control button or switch. Keep it pressed for about 10 to 15 seconds. This step is crucial as it initiates. While holding down the control, observe the indicator lights on your dashboard. These lights may vary depending on the make and model of your vehicle. Typically, you'll see a series of blinking or flashing lights that indicate the reset process is in progress. Be patient and continue holding down the control until the lights stop flashing. Once the indicator lights have stopped flashing, release the parking brake control button or switch. This action confirms that the electronic parking brake system has been successfully reset. You may hear a click or a slight movement from the parking brake mechanism indicating the reset is complete. To ensure that the reset was successful, start your vehicle's engine and put it in drive or reverse. Gently apply the electronic parking brake to verify that it engages and disengages correctly. If it functions properly, congratulations! You have successfully reset the electronic parking brake. Stay informed about vehicle updates. As technology advances, vehicle manufacturers may release software updates or recalls related to the electronic parking brake system. It's crucial to stay informed about any updates or recalls that may apply to your specific vehicle. Check the manufacturer's website, subscribe to notifications, or contact your local dealership to stay up to date with the latest information. Regular maintenance and inspection. To prevent future issues with your electronic parking brake, it's essential to maintain and inspect it regularly. Refer to your vehicle's owner's manual for recommended maintenance intervals and procedures. Routine inspections can help identify any potential problems early on, ensuring your electronic parking brake functions reliably when needed. Consult the owner's manual. Keep in mind that the steps we've provided may vary slightly depending on your vehicle's make and model. If you encounter any difficulties or if the reset process doesn't work as expected, we highly recommend consulting your vehicle's owner's manual for specific instructions. We hope this step-by-step guide has helped you understand how to reset the electronic parking brake in your vehicle. Remember, safety should always be a priority, and it's crucial to have a properly functioning parking brake. If you have any further questions or if there's a specific topic you'd like us to cover in a future video, let us know. Thank you for watching. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more.